So today is Wednesday? Yeah, today's Wednesday. It's my day off. I need to go get my exhaust tips installed. Nala, look at this. Look. Look, Nala. But yeah, go get my purple exhaust tips installed. I'm obviously not gonna do it myself because I don't know how to weld. So I need to call a couple places and see if they do it or how much they charge or whatever. This place called Pro Exhaust.
Hello, we are not available now. Please leave your name and phone number after the beep. We will return your call.
I'm gonna try and call them one more time. Hey, I was calling to see if you guys install exhaust tips.
Yes, we do.
And how much do you charge? Alright,
That's a great choice. Sorry about that.
thank you. Bye. Now you want to answer. I guess I should have made an appointment because all these places are gonna be busy with cars and stuff, so I fucked up. I'm gonna call a few other places. I think I know where I'm gonna go. I didn't call them or anything, but Isaac, the one with the white Civic Si, he got his HIDs installed there. I don't know the number, so I'm gonna just drive over there and then see what's up from there. Hopefully it can. We'll see how it goes. So I almost left my house without the most important part. The freaking exhaust tips. I'm super slow today. But yeah. Alright, so just got here. Hopefully they can do it. I'm not even gonna take the exhaust tips. I'm gonna just see if they can do it first, but whatever. Open. So this place doesn't do it, but I just called this other place and they said they can do it first come first serve, so I'm about to speed my ass over there. Hopefully. Isn't this the point of an escalator? Look. When you lazy as fuck, shit. This work. So they told me it was only gonna be like $60 to install it, and I didn't want to stay there the whole time. So me and Tanya, she's like, man, came to the mall because we're hungry. So making the time pass quicker. Okay, so the other day when I got the tips installed, I think I got a little distracted. I took too long to go pick up my car, and by the time I went to go get it, it was already dark outside and everything. And then the day after, it got like super like rainy and muddy, and it got all ugly outside, and now my car's really dirty, and so are the tips. And so I'm gonna go get it washed, and then I'm gonna show you guys. I think the ones I got are like half an inch smaller, like this. Not that big of a difference, but I like how it looks regardless of not if it's smaller, bigger. They're 3-inch on like the outer diameter part of it. It still has the same stock sound as the other ones. Nala! Same sounds. And yeah, I'm gonna go get it washed and do all the other crap that I told you. Alright, I talk too much. Look how dirty. Look at this. Look, I never let my car get this dirty. That's freaking ugh. Ugh. I will wash you. I will right now. You want to see how I wash my car? This is how I wash my car. Look how dirty my car is. And that's how I clean my car. Yeah, right. I wish. But here are the tips all closed. It's kind of hard to see, or not really. It's just that the what do you call it? The lighting's not so great because the sun isn't out no more. It's getting ready to go away. I said they were like 3 inches. Like, I used to be able to fit my fist in here. Now it doesn't. But I think it looks nice. I like it. This, I don't know what the fuck happened, but I think a truck backed into it. You know that little ball that they have to like tow stuff or whatever. But I think someone crashed backed up into me and was a fucking asshole and didn't want to say nothing. So whatever. But I'm gonna do some revs and a quick drive by and let you know. It didn't change the sound at all. First, before anything, I need to go get gas, like, now. And what better way to do it than... Oh, tire pressure. Better way to do it with the gas card they gave me at work. 10 bucks? Fuck it. Something, right? I'm not sure if the mic caught the sound of the exhaust good enough, but I think there was too much wind, and then maybe it caught more wind or anything. I don't know. I'm gonna have to review this and edit it and see what's up, but hopefully it's good, right? Hopefully. But what else was I gonna say? Oh, in my opinion, I think my car sounds exactly the same with the purple tips or without. Oh, I know it wasn't much of a video or anything, but I'm only gonna get better at this, I promise. Hopefully soon. But yeah.